Hello and welcome. In this video we will see how to interact with PDFs while doing automation testing. We will be not explaining several topics we have seen them in previous videos. If you have missed one video you can go to the automation testing playlist and watch it. So let's begin. We need to create a project for our test. We create a package, and inside the package we create a class. We will be adding the Selenium jars. We will be working with this web page which contains a PDF for testing. Thanks to the software testing world community for this short space to validate the script. I will do a copy of the instructions for opening the test in Chrome. I set 10 seconds simulating the waiting, while the PDF opens. Now, I will use actions. Actions will work only if there is a driver. As we are managing PDF it will not work. I will set it and do a quick test. What are the actions we need to do? Once the PDF is opened, we need to use keyboard for interacting with the PDF. It is due the PDF does not contains elements we can identify with Selenium. So steps we need to add are: press the combinations of the keys that will make to appears the search text field in the PDF. The second step is to write the name we want. And 3 validate if it is there, with the numbers of times it appears in the document. As you can see, the action did not work. So let's use robot. We will set next instructions. We add the next instruction, with the prefix if we are pressing or releasing an key event and the key we want to use, for example the key control and key B or F. Let's do a simple test and see if it opens. As you can see, it worked. So the next step is to write in the search text field and evaluate if the text we want exists. I will use the Sakuli jar I created. For Sakuli installation you can see the video in our automation playlist. When you install Sakuli in your computer it generates an additional jar, the one that will be inside your project in order to identify images. I will add the one created during Sakuli installation. Now we will add some instructions to tell Java to write in the active element on the screen. In this case it will be the PDF, in the search text field. Finally we need to validate if the text was found in the PDF. I will create an image, and save it in my local path. And I will add the instruction for identifying that the name Carolina was found according, in this case 1 of 2. Now, once we have added the instructions for validating, let's run it. This validation is made with text and image as you could see. So if you need to do more validations, you will need to clear the text field, and write the new data to search. Thanks.